So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to explain you about the UPSC Bodo Paper 2 syllabus mains 2025. What are the topics on which the question will be asked in the Bodo language paper 2. So in section A, answer must be written in Bodo. Okay, answer must be written in Bodo language only. And in section A, Kontai Metai, that is edited by Madaram Brahma and Roopnath Brahma. Hathor Ki Hala, edited by Pramod Chandra Brahma. Boroni Gudi Sipsa Aros, Madaram Brahma. Raja Neelambar, Dwarendranath Basumatare. Bieber prose section, in that edited by Satish Chandra Basumatare. So these are the topics, means books on which they will ask the questions on this, that is written by these authors. Then in section A, these are the topics. Okay, these are the books. In section B, Gibi Bitai, Aida Navi, Bhuram Poro, Radab Samar Brahma Chaudhary, Okrang Gongse Nangov, Rajendra Kumar Brahma, Baisago or Harimo, Lakeshwar Brahma, Gwadan Boro, Manoranjan Lahari, Jujeni or Chitranjan Muchahari, Mavar, that is Dharinder Wari, Horbadi Quimsi Kamal Kumar Brahma, Jaulia Devan Mangal Singh Hosowari, Hagar Gudni movie, that is Nilkamal Brahma. So these are the novels. So in section B, so these are the novels and authors that you should study, on which the questions will be asked. So if this video is helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my friends.